Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials but move fast. Verify Wi-Fi or cellular data is actually online, then toggle airplane mode for a network reset. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, right arrow iTunes and App Store to clear any stuck authentication tokens, then sign back in. Make sure date and time are set to automatic in Settings, because a mismatched time can block secure connections. These steps clear most transient connection and auth errors before deeper fixes. Next, focus on the operating system and the App Store itself. Force close the App Store and reopen. That often clears UI hangs. If the issue persists, update iOS to the latest version available because certificate handling improves with updates. When problems continue, reset network settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi profiles. This erases saved passwords, so have them ready. After resetting, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try the App Store again. This addresses deeper networking and TLS handshake. Finish with a full device restart. Hold home and power until the Apple logo, then test the App Store. If it still cannot connect, back up and perform a DFU restore to reinstall firmware cleanly, since corrupt system files can block App Store connections. Once restored, restore your backup and retry. If problems remain, consult Apple System Status for outages and contact Apple support. They can verify account or server side issues. This one troubleshooting tip often finds issues beyond the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.